Experiment number 5, 3 voltmeter method of measuring choke coil parameters. In this experiment, we will be measuring the choke coil parameters, that is the inductance and resistance. So since all choke coil have inherent resistance in addition to their inductance. So first we connect the circuit as shown in this circuit diagram. We use an single phase auto transformer, also called as variac, to vary the supply voltage, so which is represented as Vs. Vr is the voltage across the known resistance. So here I have set the resistance value as 50 ohm. Vch is the voltage across the choke coil. So this is the setup of the experiment. As we saw in the circuit diagram, we have connected the auto transformer, choke coil and rheostat in series connection. I have set the resistance value as 50 ohm. Now after turning on the supply, you can notice that the voltage is 38.23. So I am using a multimeter to do this. So next we note down the voltage across the rheostat. So here it is 6.66 volt. Then note down the voltage across the choke coil. So here it is 36.45 volt. So repeat the same for different value of supply voltage by varying the variac. Now, so here I have calculated for different values of supply voltage, noted down the voltage across the resistance, voltage across the choke coil, and I have calculated the current. So now calculate the power factor using this equation. So the power factor, it is the ratio of actual electrical power dissipated by an AC circuit to the product of the RMS value of current and voltage. So now coming to the choke coil parameters, the impedance of the choke coil is calculated by the formula VCH by I. So we get the impedance of the choke coil for different values of supply voltage. Similarly, we have calculated the power factor. Now the choke coil parameter, that is the resistance, it is got by computing ZCH, that is the impedance of the choke coil, into power factor of the choke coil. The next we compute the reactance XL, which is given by ZCH into sin theta CH. And finally another choke coil parameter, that is the inductance, that is got by the formula L is equal to XL by 2 pi F. So we have measured the choke coil parameters using 3 voltmeter method. Thank you.